Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer a title deed with Trulia step by step clearly. To transfer a title deed using Trulia, begin by gathering all necessary documents related to the property. Ensure you have the current title deed on hand for reference. Visit the Trulia website and navigate to the real estate section. Create an account or log in to your existing Trulia account. Search for the property you wish to transfer by entering the address in the search bar. Once you find the property, click on it to access its details. Locate the option for property management or title transfer, usually found within the property details. Follow the prompts to enter the required information for the title transfer. This typically includes the full names of both the seller and the buyer. Provide any additional information required, such as the sale price and the date of transfer. Review the details carefully to ensure all information is accurate. If needed, upload any supporting documents requested by Trulia. After verifying all entries, submit the title transfer form. Trulia may take several days to process the request, so be patient. Once processed, you will receive a confirmation about the title deed transfer. Make sure to keep a copy of the updated title deed for your records. You can now access the updated property information through your Trulia account. If you have any issues, contact Trulia's customer support for assistance. Finally, ensure that the local government is notified of the transfer, if required, for official records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.